One of the fundamental aspects of transitioning from project management to program management level is the transition from the tactical to strategic. We have understood what strategic means. What is tactical? While strategy defines the what, tactics define the how. In military, they say the troops on the ground determine the tactics, whereas the generals away from the battlefield define the strategy. It is an interesting way to think about strategy because as a program manager, you need to provide the team with a sense of direction as to where the program is headed, and then trust the troops to come up with the right tactics. So to become focused on the strategy, you must do as follows. Focus on the long-term goals, not just on today's problems, and know how to solve them. Delegate the day-to-day issues. However, delegation does not mean throwing it over to the team. You delegate after standardizing and fine-tuning the day-to-day working. This is where the program manager will work closely with the project managers. In order to become strategic, the program manager will have to develop more business acumen, because the strategy will be decided based on what is relevant to the business. And the program manager, in a way, accepts responsibility and accountability to broader business goals rather than specific deliverables within the program. It is not that deliverables are not important. It is just that the program manager needs to think of the goal, not short-term milestones. It is rightly said, the first step in becoming a leader is to start thinking like one. So it is important to make this mental transition first. Now, let us look into the mechanics of translating organizational strategy into the work of the program. Typically, an organization determines its strategy through a planning cycle. The strategic review is either pre-planned or calendar-based, or it can be triggered by a change in the business conditions. In the strategic review, the organization looks at the vision and mission statements and translates it into a strategic plan within the boundaries of the organization's capabilities and core values. The strategic plan is made keeping in mind the business context. This includes market dynamics, specific requests from customers and partners, stakeholders, government regulations and mandates, and the plans of the competitors. The outcome of strategic planning is the portfolio decisions. That is, decisions about where the organization would like to invest its resources. It also provides the program a definition of the expected outcomes and results that the organization is looking for. Let us continue with the same in the next slide.